Tommy Walker, one of the 4 original Flying Tigers still alive, keeps the air-minded looking skyward as he indulges in a few high jinks. Tommy's act is one of the highlights of the Flying Tigers Air Circus. We'll let you guess what he's up to, or down to. That was no accident. Walker finds it an excellent method for getting rid of old planes. Tommy hurt? Yeah, he scratched his knee. Governor Jester congratulates General Hodges of the Air Training Command at Randolph Field on the 1st anniversary of the Air Force. For 50,000 spectators, the birthday show packs an aerial wallop of thrills. Here come the jets. Birthday wishes go from all of us to the men and the planes of the Air Force. They put the power in air power.